In this video, I will show you how to create and manage a data sharing summary. From the homepage, head to the Data Sharing tab. Click the Add Summary button at the bottom of the page. Enter the name of your data sharing summary. The name field is the only mandatory field within the data sharing summary. Everything you fill in after this point is optional. The Organisations Involved section is where you will add organisations to your data sharing summary. There are two ways to do this: Quick Add and Lookup. The Quick Add option allows you to quickly add organisations you regularly share with. Click the drop-down box and select your desired organisation. Select which roles apply, then click the Add button. The Lookup option allows you to search the ISG and ICO register. Click the Lookup button, then search by either ICO registration number or organisation name. First, you will see results from the Information Sharing Gateway. If the organisation you are sharing with is here, select it from this list. Secondly, you will see results from the ICO register. If the organisation doesn't appear in the ISG results, select it from the ICO register results. If you are certain the organisation doesn't appear in either list, you can manually enter the organisation details. If you add an organisation from the ICO register results, or manually add an organisation, if they later sign up to the ISG using the ICO registration number you entered, they will automatically have access to this data sharing summary. In this case, I will select my desired organisation from the ISG results. You can then select roles and press Confirm. You can alter an organisation's roles using the tick boxes. There may be an occasion when an organisation is facilitating in creating the data sharing summary, but not actively participating in the data sharing. If this is the case, you can mark the organisation as a facilitator by selecting the facilitator role. Any changes you make to the Organisations Involved section will be highlighted green. To undo these changes, click the Discard Changes button. To remove an organisation from the data sharing summary, click the bin icon. There is also a search bar at the top of the list, where you can quickly find organisations you have added. Next, there is the option to change the data sharing summary template you would like to use. All data sharing summaries will default to the ISG template, but here is where any Welsh users can select the WASPI template. To link an asset from your inventory to the data sharing summary, select the asset from this drop-down list. The information from the asset will then be pulled through to the data sharing summary. The remaining questions on this page are dynamic, so you will see more options appear as you select what information is being shared. If you are unsure what information is needed for a particular question, you can view the tooltips by clicking the eye symbol. A review date will be calculated from the first sign-off, according to the review cycle you choose here. If you would like to use a different review date, select the desired date in the Override Review Date field. In this section, you can upload or link a privacy notice or any other documents. To upload a document, click Browse, select the document, and then click Upload. To add a link, enter the URL in this box, then click Add URL. The documents and links you have added will appear here. To remove a document or link, click the minus icon. The information you enter into the data sharing summary can be edited and saved as much as you need, but it will become locked if a related data flow has been sent for review or sign-off. After this point, the only information you are able to edit is the Organisations Involved section. When you are ready to save your data sharing summary, click Save Summary. You can now add a data flow or return to the data sharing list. You can always add a data flow later. You are taken back to the data sharing list, where you will see your new data sharing summary. To copy an existing data sharing summary, click the Copy button in the Tools column. This will also copy any data flows underneath the summary. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm or cancel. Click Copy to confirm. You will then receive this notification confirming that a copy has been made and the name of the copy. This name can be edited. When a data sharing summary is due for review, all users with the Administrator role or IG Project Officer role will be notified via email. Data sharing summaries due to be reviewed within 1 month will be highlighted yellow. Data sharing summaries where the review date has passed will be highlighted red. To view your options, click the Archive button next to the data sharing summary you want to review. If the data sharing is still taking place, you can select the Archive and Review All option. The data sharing summary and all its data flows will be archived. Copies of the summary and data flows will be created, ready for review and sign-off. If the data sharing is still taking place, but the data flows have changed significantly, you can select the Archive All and Review Summary option. The data sharing summary and all its data flows will be archived. A copy of the data sharing summary only will be created. If the data sharing is no longer taking place, you can select Archive All. The data sharing summary and all its data flows will be archived. No copies will be created. Select the most appropriate option for your data sharing summary. Any copied items will be created and added to your data sharing list ready for you to review. For more information, please click the link in the video description to visit our knowledge base or contact the ISG Central Admin team.